welcome to the second part of the web common architecture. And in this video we're gonna showing how are the apps and our projects divided by one, and what our application included, what our core project included, and what our infrastructure included. In this way I have here a gallery web app, and I have, for example, controllers here. This is for the administrator, and the others we have models here, and these models have just one work, just one thing, and this is the logic. They work with the logic for our project. They create a new view models in this way. And what do the view models? For example, let's say I'm here now in my albums controller, and here we have album model. So our model is our logic, as I said, and here I'm working also with the repository, and this is my view model. What do the view model? The view model get the data for our views. In this way they get all the albums, and later I will work with the properties from my albums. So this is the album model. You can see here I have delete album, I have get album by ID, insert album, updated, and get all albums. So, and the album work also with my repository, and the repositories are in my node infrastructure project. You can see here, guys. And in my core projects are the entities and my interface here. Let's say, for example, let's see what the album repository has. We have here get albums, get poll ID, and so on. And in this project are my repositories. So as I say, here is also the configuration files, our program files, our startup, and here's our views, our views. So this is the first project. This is our application project, and this project has a dependency for no one here, but this here have a dependency with a gallery core. With this here, because here I am working with the entities. So this is all what we can see here, and let's see in live how this works. So let's say we will get the albums now. This is our model, album model, and we can just use this function here, and they go here in our model. Here I have a function getAlbum, and the albums I include by my repository. For example, I have now 4, and my models have also 4 albums, and this is the here I am creating the new view model. For example, if I need to create one album, I need a new album. So, and I'm returning all 4 albums here. So this work. Let's create a new one now. Test 1. So we are here now. What I'm doing, the model is valid. Yes, I have the name. Here I have a function, I have a method insert album, and here this is the view model. I am using AutoMapper to map the objects. I have here the properties, I have the values. Created on is daytime now, and I'm using here also the repository to insert the album. And this is this way where I, from my context, I add an album. And here I call save changes from my unit of work, because the unit of work work with my DB context, and my album also work with DB context, and the album is saved now. So this work. This is all what you can know, guys, and don't forget the most important things are that the view model has one work, and this is the data for our view. The model has also one work. This is our logic. Here we have this insert album, create, and so on, and the view has another work, and this is to show us the data from our view model.